Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me for this quick overview of the Paradise Garden Plant-Based Cookbook 2 by Maria Tarnev-Wydro. This is the second in a series. She also has the Cookbook 1. So these are just more recipes from all around the world. And as we see in the table of contents, there's herbs and spices, condiments, dressings from around the world, probiotic, cultured foods, baked goods, breakfast, vegan snacks, soups, entrees, instant pot favorites, clay pot favorites, Italian entree favorites, and vegan dessert favorites from around the world. As you look, you can see the directions and the recipes are very easy to read, very easy to follow. The font is plenty big enough to read for everyone. As we go through, lots of color pictures, kind of piques your interest, certainly piques your taste buds, that's for sure. And there it is. It's about 125 pages long, and that's a review of the Paradise Garden Plant-Based Cookbook 2. Thanks for watching.